Top 5 Credit Card. If you're thinking about getting a credit card, then you may be overwhelmed by how many different cards are on the market. There are a dizzying number of choices available, making it difficult to decide which one to go for. A good starting point is to group credit cards by type. Normally, each card will fall into one of the following 10 categories: rewards, cashback, travel, premium, business, student, 0% introductory purchase, APR, secured, co-branded, and store cards. To decide which credit card is right for you, you need to know a little bit about each type. 1. Rewards credit cards. Rewards credit cards reward spending with points, miles, or cash back. Rewards credit cards are best for people who pay their statement balances in full and on time, so they don't have to pay credit card interest. Many rewards cards are only available to those with good or better credit. 2. Cashback credit cards. Some people prefer cashback cards because they offer easy-to-understand value. Cashback credit cards give you back a percentage of the money that you spend on the card. Some cashback cards offer a flat rate of cashback on all purchases, such as 2% back on every dollar spent on purchases, or they may have bonus categories, such as 3% back on dining while paying 1% on other purchases. Some cards also offer bonus categories that rotate throughout the year. For example, the offers 5% cashback on up to $1.5 in combined purchases in rotating quarterly bonus categories. Plus, it earns 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase, 3% cash back on dining, 3% cash back on drugstore purchases, and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. New account holders of the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card can also earn a $200 bonus if they spend $500 on the card within the first 3 months of activation. While not all cashback credit cards have welcome bonuses like this, it's nice that some cards do. 3. Travel credit cards. Travel credit cards earn rewards that you can use to pay for travel, such as airline tickets and hotels. These cards may offer other travel-related benefits as well, such as travel insurance or priority service. Travel credit cards can differ considerably. Some earn rewards that are transferable to multiple airline or hotel programs, while others offer points or miles that can be used only for one co-branded airline or hotel company. A few travel credit cards even offer bonuses for purchases in other spending categories, such as gas or dining. Some travel credit cards also offer new account bonuses, and many, but not all, charge an annual fee. It can be hard to compare the value of rewards earned from different travel credit cards, since points can be worth different amounts for each airline or hotel. 4. Premium rewards cards. Many of the most valuable rewards credit cards that you hear about in the news or online are premium travel rewards credit cards. Premium rewards cards often have large sign-up bonuses and special benefits. They are most often used for travel, as many of these cards earn travel rewards and offer travel-related benefits. Metal credit cards and black credit cards are often associated with luxury and exclusivity due to their unique and sophisticated designs, which can make them desirable options for those seeking a premium credit card experience. Premium rewards cards almost always have high annual fees, but they can offer great value if you properly utilize them. Many premium rewards cards are also only available to those with good or excellent credit. Two of the most popular premium rewards credit cards are the and the. Both charge at least $550 in annual fees, but come with many cardholder benefits and opportunities to earn statement credits for specific purchases. 5. Business credit cards. Business credit cards allow small business owners to separate their personal purchases from their company's expenses, while also earning benefits, rewards, or other special features that are specifically designed for business needs. Just like personal credit cards, there are a variety of small business credit cards that offer different benefits. There are no annual fee business cards, cashback business cards, and 0% APR business credit cards.